Hey, I'm Joaquin. I'm co-owner at J&A Custom Fabricator. We're located in Gardena, and this is a welding fabrication shop, so we do metalworks. I mean, we deal with like an inch, a half inch, stainless steel, carbon steel, so to pick them up and drill holes was such a big pain. So now with the laser jet, it just facilitated everything for sure. The workflow faster, we can bring things out quicker, especially these thick plates. So yeah, it just made everything more quicker, efficient. For example, we've used these base plates for the columns that we use. It's one of these, made the holes way easier than just drilling them. We also did some gear parts, just cut them off of these thick plates. We used to do it with the drill manually, so that would have taken like 30 to 45 minutes. And in that same time, you could prop the whole plate and cut multiple base plates with that same amount of time using the 12 kilowatt machine. Yeah, so to maintain this machine, you would think that it's too much, but it's actually pretty simple. You know, we just had a little issue today, but it was just a simple switch of the lens and it worked perfectly fine. Oil, it lubricates itself as well. And yeah, it's pretty simple to keep. So yeah, another thing I would like to mention is a great customer service. If I ever need a parameter to tweak something, I just call them up and they answer quickly. If I need some parts as well, they let me know if they have it or if they can ship it, perfect. They also helped out with the financing and any other troubles I have. So it was great customer service, reliable, and yeah, pretty good to work with.